Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 23. Which of the following is not a factor that can increase the rate of evaporation of water in a lake? A. Increase in the pressure of the atmosphere. B. Rise in temperature. C. Increase in the average speed of the molecules of water. D. Increase in the kinetic energy of the molecules of water. So you have four factors here, and you are asked for which of them is not a factor that increases or can increase the rate of evaporation of water in a lake. So the first one says increase in the pressure of atmosphere. Now, increase in pressure of atmosphere or increase in atmospheric pressure cannot be linked to evaporation rate. So for this reason, it is not a factor that can increase the rate of evaporation. So it is actually the answer to this question. But let's look at the other ones and see how they affect the rate of evaporation. Now, B says rise in temperature. Now obviously increase in temperature increases the rate of evaporation. So that's the reason why if you heat a particular sample of water, when you heat it, it is more likely to evaporate because increase in temperature increases rate of evaporation. So that is the reason why it is not the answer, because it is actually a factor that can increase the rate of evaporation of water in a lake. Now C says increase in the average speed of molecules of water. Now temperature, according to the kinetic theory or the kinetic molecular theory, temperature is defined as a function of the average kinetic energy of the molecules. Okay, it's a function of the kinetic energy of molecules, and kinetic energy, of course, is a function of mass and velocity. So it means that if you increase the velocity of the molecules, okay, it will affect the kinetic energy. If you increase velocity, kinetic energy will also increase. So of course, average speed or average velocity, as you can see, affects the temperature and hence affecting the rate of evaporation. So as you can see, it's not the answer. And of course, this says increase in kinetic energy. Like we said, according to the kinetic theory, temperature is defined as a function of the kinetic energy possessed by the molecules. So increasing the kinetic energy means increasing the temperature and hence the rate of evaporation as well. So as we have rightly established, A, which is increasing the pressure of the atmosphere, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.